How's it going? Chris at Young's, and today we're going to look at a 2007 Harley Davidson Road King. This guy right here has already come pre-equipped with the raised handlebars, get you that nice comfortable custom look. She's also got Harley Daymaker headlights added on. Nothing lights up the night like a set of Daymakers. She's got that beautiful Harley black cherry paint scheme, one of my favorite they've put out. You can see they've upgraded with the K&N air filter, Vance & Hines radial shorties exhausts. We've got the extended swept side panels to give that flush look coming back to the saddlebags. Got the nice black cherry saddlebags, and even threw in the tour pack on this model too. This bike's got just over 44,000 miles on it. She's a great runner, recently serviced, and she's ready for the road. On the left side here, they've had the outer primary cover powder coated to kind of blend in with the motor, but still give a little kick to the chrome derby covers and the chrome floorboards. You've got the comfort set crash guard, so you have a place to kick your feet up without needing the accessories for the highway pegs. Let's hear how she runs.